Nice job.
You can use your fork. You can, oh yeah. Here. Using a right hand. Good girl. What a big girl. Okay. Yeah, you got it. Uh-oh. Here. It's a big bite. You're so big. You're using a big fork. We don't even have you a regular baby fork. She's using it all by herself. Oh, see, I think I'm going to use my hands. It's easier. Isn't that good? Beautiful. Hey. Okay. Mm-hmm. Whoops. You gotta, yeah.
Good job.
Sweetheart. She's sitting at her table like a big girl. You're so big. Boy, you're eating a lot, aren't you?
Just reach his little table.
She's hardly taking a breath. Oh, goodness.
Eating constantly. Don't act like I didn't give you a bunch of raspberries and cottage cheese just a second ago.
Yeah. You want to do it? Good job. Oh, you're so big. Yeah. Okay. Say bye.
Say bye. Bye.